Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to PsySigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. Alright guys, let's talk about something we've all wondered. How do you get into her head? Not in a creepy, obsessive way, but in that natural, magnetic way where she finds herself thinking about you at random moments, when she's scrolling her phone, when a song comes on, when she's lying in bed at night. You want to become a permanent resident in her mental real estate, rent-free. And the good news? There's actual psychology behind why certain people become unforgettable. These aren't manipulation tactics. They're principles of human memory, emotion, and connection. When you understand how the brain works, you can work with it, not against it. Here are 5 psychological tricks that make her think of you 24/7. Trick 1. The scarcity principle. Become a treat, not a staple. This is the foundation of everything else. The human brain is wired to pay more attention to things that are rare, limited, or unpredictable. We take the constant, the available, the always there for granted. But something that appears less frequently, that grabs our focus. How to apply it? Stop being available 24/7. Don't reply to texts instantly every single time. Don't always be the one to initiate. Don't drop your plans the moment she's free. You have a life, a full, interesting, active life, and she gets to be a part of it, not the center of it. When you're less available, the moments you are together become more valuable. Her brain registers, time with him is special, not guaranteed. She'll start looking forward to your interactions because they're not a sure thing. Absence, used correctly, doesn't just make the heart grow fonder, it makes the mind more focused. Why this works psychologically? It's called the scarcity principle.
We value what's rare.
By being selectively available, you create a mental contrast. You're not background noise. You're an event. And events are memorable. Trick 2. The Zeigarnik effect. Leave things open-ended. This is a fascinating psychological phenomenon. The Zeigarnik effect states that people remember incomplete or interrupted tasks better than completed ones. Our brains hate loose ends. We mentally loop back to things that aren't finished, trying to find closure. How to apply it? And interactions on a playful, open-ended note. Don't wrap everything up in a neat little bow. Leave a conversation with a tease that implies a future conversation. I've got so much more to tell you about that story, but that's for next time. Or bring up something intriguing and then get distracted before you finish the thought. Oh, you remind me of this crazy theory I have about. Actually, never mind, it's a long story. You've just planted a mental seed. Her brain will itch to know the ending. She'll think about you because she needs closure on that little open loop. Why this works psychologically? Unfinished business occupies mental space. By creating small, intriguing loose ends, you ensure your memory lingers in her mind until she gets the resolution. And by then, she's already thinking about you regularly. Trick 3. Emotional anchoring. Connect yourself to a feeling. The brain doesn't just store facts, it stores emotions. And when a strong emotion is paired with a person, that person becomes an anchor for that feeling. Every time she feels that emotion again, her brain will unconsciously ping back to you. How to apply it? Create a specific emotional experience with her that's unique to your interactions. Make her laugh so hard she cries. Have a deep, vulnerable conversation where she feels truly understood. Do something adventurous that gets her adrenaline pumping. The key is to be the source of a distinct emotional state she doesn't experience with just anyone. Then, whenever she's in a similar mood, wanting to laugh, craving depth, seeking excitement, her brain will subconsciously associate that feeling with you. Why this works psychologically? This is classical conditioning. You're pairing yourself with a powerful emotional state. Over time, just thinking about that feeling brings you to mind, and thinking about you brings up that feeling. It's a powerful, positive loop. Trick 4. The contrast effect. Stand out by being different. The brain is a pattern recognition machine. It notices what's different. If you blend in with everyone else, same compliments, same conversation topics, same energy, you become part of the background. To be memorable, you need to offer something contrastingly unique. How to apply it? Identify what everyone else does around her and be the opposite in a good way. If everyone is trying too hard to impress her, be the one who's comfortably himself, not performing. If everyone is serious and intense, be the one who brings lightness and playfulness. If everyone agrees with her, be the one who respectfully challenges her thinking on small, fun topics. You're not being a contrarian. You're being a distinct, refreshing presence. You're offering something she can't get from anyone else in her circle. Why this works psychologically? Novelty captures attention. When you're different in a positive, authentic way, you stand out against the mental backdrop of everyone else. Your uniqueness becomes your signature, and signatures are impossible to forget. Trick 5. The mystery effect. Reveal yourself in layers. Humans are naturally curious. We're drawn to things we don't fully understand because we want to solve the puzzle. If you lay all your cards on the table immediately, there's nothing left to discover. But if you reveal yourself gradually, you keep her engaged and wanting more. How to apply it? Don't tell your whole life story in one conversation. Let things come out naturally over time. Mention a cool hobby, but don't exhaust every detail. Share an interesting opinion, but leave room for deeper discussion later. Have layers. Be the kind of person who, the more she gets to know you, the more interesting you become. This creates a sense of depth and substance. She'll think, there's so much more to him. I want to know it all. Why this works psychologically? The brain craves completion. When you present yourself as someone with depth and mystery, you trigger her natural curiosity. She'll think about you because she's still figuring you out. And the process of figuring someone out is itself a form of connection.
Putting it all together.
Before we wrap up, I need to be clear about something. These tricks are not about manipulation. They're about understanding how human attention and memory work so you can stop making the common mistakes that make you forgettable. The goal isn't to control her mind. The goal is to be such an authentic, interesting, emotionally resonant presence that she naturally thinks of you. The scarcity principle keeps you from being too available and boring. The Zeigarnik effect keeps your interactions intriguing. Emotional anchoring connects you to positive feelings. The contrast effect makes you stand out. And mystery keeps her curious. Use these principles to become the most compelling version of yourself. Not a character you're playing, but the real you, strategically revealed. I want to hear from you guys. Which of these psychological principles makes the most sense to you? Or have you ever experienced someone using one of these on you without realizing it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe because here at PsySigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.